Introducing the manager from the visiting team, the manager number 26 from Spring Hill, Randy Sheinberg. Coach number 43 from Spring Hill, Gordon Barton. And coach number 32 from Lake Henry, Keith Loser. And now the reserves for the Stearns County League. Number 20 from St. Martin, Luke Rostein. Number 1 from St. Martin, Nathan Schlangen. Number 27 from Lake Henry, Corey Neufeld. Number 24 from St. Martin, Scott Schlangen. Number 43 from Meyer Grove, Greg Mathy. Number 3 from Meyer Grove, Kyle Marthaler. Number 15 from Lake Henry, John Loser. Number 8 from Lake Henry, Josh Rocky. And number 20 from Roscoe, Chuck Macadam.